Alex was always drawn to the excitement of a fresh start, and purchasing a fixer-upper seemed like the perfect opportunity. The old house, with its creaking floors and faded wallpaper, held the promise of transformation. However, as he explored the basement, a faint outline of a door behind a semi-broken wall caught his attention. Curiosity got the better of him, and he impulsively decided to break through the barrier. With each swing of the hammer, dust filled the air until the hidden door was fully exposed. What lay beyond was beyond anything he had imagined. The dim light from the basement cast eerie shadows across a hidden room filled with strange artifacts, unsettling paintings, and an ancient altar at its center. Blood-red symbols scrawled on the walls sent a shiver down Alex's spine. Overwhelmed by the disturbing sight, he slammed the door shut, leaning against it as he tried to steady his racing heart. That night, unease settled deep within him, and he resolved to investigate the house's history first thing in the morning. Seeking answers, Alex turned to his neighbors and met Mrs. Phillips, an elderly woman who had lived next door for decades. When he mentioned his house, her expression turned serious, and she revealed that it had once belonged to the reclusive Williams family. The Williamses were mysterious, rarely seen, and often surrounded by strange circumstances. Rumors of eerie noises, mechanical sounds, and even screams had plagued the house for years. Though there was no concrete evidence of anything sinister, the stories left Alex deeply unsettled. Determined to uncover the truth, Alex spent hours digging through town records and old newspapers. He discovered that multiple members of the Williams family had mysteriously disappeared over the years, their cases marked as unresolved. Oddly, the media had barely covered these incidents, as if the stories had been deliberately buried. While researching in a library, Alex was approached by a woman named Sarah, who claimed to be a distant relative of the Williams family. She seemed eager to know what he had found and even offered to buy the house for twice what he paid. Suspicious of her motives, Alex refused, convinced that the key to the mystery was hidden within the house itself. As Alex continued his search, he stumbled upon an old chest in the attic. Inside, he found a worn leather journal belonging to Elizabeth Williams. The journal detailed strange occurrences in the house and referenced a hidden room in an ominous tone. Alongside it, cryptic letters mentioned names and dates that matched missing persons reports. The deeper Alex read, the more he felt an overwhelming sense of dread. The final entries were frantic, suggesting that Elizabeth herself had fallen victim to the darkness within the house. Rather than deterring him, these discoveries only fueled his determination to uncover the truth. As Alex pursued his investigation, the house itself seemed to resist him. Whispers echoed through the halls, doors closed on their own, and shadows moved in the corners of his vision. His dog barked relentlessly at the wall hiding the secret door, adding to the tension. Desperate for answers, Alex enlisted the help of a paranormal investigator who confirmed a strong presence of malevolent spirits. During a seance, they encountered a vengeful spirit that revealed cryptic messages about betrayal and dark rituals. The revelations only solidified Alex's resolve to uncover the truth. Finally, Alex returned to the hidden room, flashlight in hand, and discovered a cache of photographs, letters, and documents detailing horrific crimes committed by the Williams family. They had been part of a secret cult responsible for the disappearances. Armed with undeniable evidence, Alex turned everything over to the authorities. The truth finally came to light, leading to the arrest of the remaining Williams family members. The town, long plagued by fear and mystery, could finally find closure. With justice served, Alex knew that he had not only uncovered a dark past, but had also freed his home from the grip of its sinister history.